Yes, mama.
You collect the picture them from O'Connor's yet?
See, I put them in a nice album for you, mama.
Where did the cans you get album from, boy? I'm tired to tell you talk.
Wait, mama. O'Connor's giving away a free album or a free roll of film to every customer.
That's not all. Each customer has a chance to win $5,000 cash and other attractive prizes.
And the picture them look nice, see, mama.
Yes, and next time we can get a free roll of film instead. Now, about that, we know what you brought.
O'Connor's Color Lab, 14 Union Square in Crossroads.
Give me a Jack.
Thanks, man, and the money dead again. Set up or get up, Boysie.
Mama, partner money don't know.
Boysie?
Yes, mama.
Come, Christmas will come away if you take pictures and go give you auntie at foreign.
Yes, mama. O'Connor's giving away a free album or a free roll of film to every customer since them gone crazy again, mama.
But this time, customers have a chance to win $10,000 in cash prizes in our grand draw on February the 1st.
Boysie, come, look. See, I get back the picture them from O'Connor's.
Nice. I look troublesome, me, mama.
But this one more troublesome, though.
But, mama, in favor me.
O'Connor's Color Lab, 14 Union Square in Crossroads.
You sweep up the whole backyard, you know, mama.
6.5 furlong, champion Jackie. Can't lose, boy. How much money you put on it?
Where you get money from?
Lamb some other one.
Boysie?
Yes, mama.
Don't leave the yard. I just got to go pick up some photo from down O'Connor's.
Mama, I can't make you $10 to school book, mama.
School book, Boysie?
School book, mama.
I don't trust this careless boy, you know, but... Which one this time, ma'am? The free album or the free roll of film? Free this again?
That's right, O'Connor's have gone crazy again. A free 8x10 album or a free roll of film to every customer and more chances to win cash prizes in our grand draw on July 31st.
And into the final drawing is Breakdancer and Take 5 together with School Book taking their aim on the leaders. Breakdancer and Take 5 continue to battle for supremacy. On the outside, flying like a jet is the favorite. School Book from north to the front. School Book and some by left now too, but oh my goodness, the jockey has fallen off. School Book in the end is Breakdancer, the winner with Take 5 second. This race was brought to you by O'Connor's Photo Lab, 14 Union Square in Crossroads.
But don't let it tell you, mama, say school book I want to buy.
Was in problem again?
See you well, lash.
Cut out that Boysie, man. Man hungry. Come on a boat. Yeah, man, I have Camille and Flower, man, and Siaki there. That's a foul, yeah.
Mama foul?
Boysie?
Come in, mama. Yes, mama.
I'm going to O'Connor's Color Lab to figure out this roll of Christmas film. Stay and look after they foul them.
Mama, like O'Connor's have CMD service, you know, can stay and collect them and bring them back home this evening?
Good idea. And we can carry her, you won't go gear because she a fly go to Brooklyn tomorrow. Hey! Boysie, come look how the picture them come out nice.
Mama, could you come back already? You don't just leave here.
O'Connor's now have a 1 hour service. Me say, stomach you out the film box, me get back the picture them and no extra charge. Hi, how you so full of foul, feather?
Mama, you want to see a mongoose come and try teeth on the foul them and me and the mongoose and the foul in the backyard. You should have seen.
Then the mongoose grease up your mouth kind of stuff.
One of the foul them did kind of broke him wing, mama, so we cook him and we eat him.
Yes, O'Connor's Color Lab now offers 1 hour service at no extra cost and once again a free 8x10 album or roll of film to every customer plus every day one lucky customer wins a 110 pocket camera. O'Connor's Color Lab, 14 Union Square in Crossroads.
But mama didn't leave two of the dumpling them inside the pot bottom for you, you know. Yes, mama. Yes, mama.
Hi, run go get the camera, make me carry the film, go down and O'Connor's go develop it up.
Wait, yes, mama.
They're in the kitchen cupboard back of some things. Go and feed.
It's what it is. Smell good.
Boysie?
Come in, mama.
Here are your photographs, ma'am.
So hi, we don't have no little freeness this year.
Of course, ma'am.
O'Connor's have gone crazy again. Every customer gets free either an 8x10 photo album, a roll of film, or an O'Connor's t-shirt. And of course, 1 hour service at no extra charge.
Boysie, come look to me get by the picture them from O'Connor's. Hi, but him fast asleep in the middle day, son. Anyway, time I fly, you make me go inside go rub up by Christmas pudding, yeah? Butter, flour, sugar, vanilla, yes, I know the fruit them supposed to well soak in the white rum. Boysie?
Kiss me neck, mama. The whole light the water report.
O'Connor's Color Lab, 14 Union Square in Crossroads and Willowgate Plaza in Mandeville.
Don't wake up, make I show you a battery.
Oh, mama, you will let me out for the new year?